In this video, we are going to discuss about factoring by grouping. So, how are you going to know when you're going to use the factoring by grouping technique? So, first you're going to have these two terms, which is, we have an invisible one here. So, 3 divided by 1 is 3. And then, in the second term, we have 18, or the third and fourth terms, which is 18 and 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. So in this case, we are going to use the factoring by grouping method. So how are we going to factor this? So first, get the first two terms, which is xy, and put it on a parentheses. Sorry. And the next is, you're gonna put into the parentheses the last two terms. Now, you need to find the common factor on this term. So, our common factor here is x. So, we're gonna write x. Then, we need to divide xy by x, and we have y. Then, let's divide 3x by x, so the x would cancel. Now, we have positive 3. Now, we're gonna find the common factor on this, which is 6. 6. Now, divide both of them by 6. So, 6 will cancel. Now we have y left. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. So as you can see here, we have the same binomial. So we're gonna use that on our first parentheses. So we're gonna have y plus 3, and the second one, so you're gonna remove the y plus 3, it will become x, and remove the y plus 3, and it will be positive 6. I used the wrong color there. Six. So these are the factors of this expression. So you're gonna, if you want to check your answer, you can always check it. So we're gonna use the FOIL method. So first term, y times x is xy, xy, y times 6 is 6x, xy plus 6x. I mean 6y. Then the middle terms, I mean the inner, 3 times x is 3x, and then the last terms, which is 6 times 3, which is positive 18. So we have all the terms. So we have xy, have also that in this. We have also 3x, 6y again, and another 18, which means your answer is correct. Okay, now try this. xy plus 7x plus 4y plus 28. So, you can try this if you want to. So, get the first two terms, which is xy and 7x, put them in the parentheses, and then put the last two terms on it. So, yeah. So find the common factor on xy plus 7x, which is x. So xy divided by x is just y, because the x will cancel, and then x divided by positive 7x is simply 7. That doesn't look like a 7. It's a 7, okay. So you're gonna find the common factor here, which is 4. 4y divided by 4 is just y, which means the 4 will cancel, plus, and positive 28 divided by 4 is positive 7. So as you can see here, we have a common binomial, which is y plus 7. So we're gonna put them on a separate parentheses. Now divide, cancel the 7. So you have x plus 4 left. X plus 4, so you're gonna write it on another parenthesis. So that means these are the factors of this expression. Now let's have another example here. Now, if you want to factor this, you can try. So separate the first and last two terms. Here is 2x minus 10, x minus 10. Since we have a positive sign here, use the positive sign, and then the last two terms, which is xy minus 5y. Now find the common factor. So the common factor of 2x minus 10 is simply 2. 2x divided by 2 is x, and then 10 divided by 2 is 5, negative 5, since we have negative 10 here. Plus, so find the common factor of xy minus 5y, which is y. So xy divided by y is simply x, so the y will cancel. And then 5y divided by y is just 5. So as you can see here, we have a common binomial, so we're gonna copy the common binomial, x minus 5, and now remove the x minus 5, so we have 2 plus y. So we're gonna add 2 plus y. So these are the factors of this equation or expression.